Here's how to solve linear equations for SAT Math. First, you're going to distribute everything that's in the parentheses. Second, you're going to combine every like term. For instance, for a problem like this, you're first going to distribute 4 times 2t minus 3. That gets you 8t minus 12. Then you're going to combine the like terms. So you're going to subtract 5t and then add 12, which is going to get you 6t equals to 36. And by dividing by 6, you get t equals to 6. Now pause the video and try this one yourself. Done? Here's the solution. You're going to distribute the parentheses, which gets you 0.4x minus 3.6. Then you're going to subtract 0.15x and then add 3.6 to combine the like terms. That gets you 0.25x equals to 6.5. And then to find the value of x, you just need to multiply by 4 on each side. That gets you x equals to 26, which is the answer. Now here's a variation. If you notice that a single expression is being used across multiple parentheses repeatedly, then treat that expression as a different variable a. So in this problem, I'm going to substitute x plus 10 as a and solve for a first. So I'm going to get 1 over 4a minus 1 over 6a equals to 3, which means 1 over 12a equals to 3. So a is equal to 36. Since a is equal to x plus 10 is equal to 36. By subtracting 10 on each side, we get x equals to 26. Now pause the video and try this problem yourself. Done? Again, we see the same expression x plus 3 in multiple parentheses. So we're going to treat x plus 3 as a and solve for a first. That gets us 8a equals to 5a plus 51, which gets us 3a equals to 51. Divided by 3 gets us a equals to 17. And since a is equal to x plus 3 equals to 17, meaning that x equals to 14. Now pause the video and try this problem yourself. Done? There's two ways to solve this problem. The first way is to simply find for m and multiply 2 over 9 to it. That's boring. But the second and more clever way is to simplify this equation so that you naturally surface 2 over 9m. I noticed that 4 over 9m, which is given in the expression, is exactly twice of what we're trying to find, 2 over 9m. So if I just set 4 over 9m equal to some number and divide each side by 2, then I can find for my answer. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I subtract 21 on each side. That gets me 4 over 9m equals to 32. And then I divide by 2 on each side. That gets me 2 over 9m gets 16. So that will be the answer. The next problem is the exact same thing, but it just looks intimidating. What do we see? We see a recurring expression x plus 9 in a fraction. Again, we're going to consider this as a. Then we have a over 4 equals to a over 11. And then we multiply 4 and 11 on each side, which is going to get us 11a equals to 4a. And if you simplify this out, you get 7a equals to 0, meaning that a has to be equal to 0. So now we just need to find an option that shows two numbers between which 0 is located. Going through the options, the only thing is B, so that's the correct answer. Now pause the video and try this one yourself. Done? Again, we see a recurring expression x minus 7. We're going to set that as a. That gets us a over 3 equals to a over 5 plus 2. From here, multiply 15 on each side. That gets us 5a equals to 3a plus 30. Subtract 3a on each side, then 2a equals to 30, and a equals to 15. Since a is equal to x minus 7, we have found the value of x minus 7 is equal to 15. And the only option which contains 15 between two numbers is option B. So that's the correct answer. Now this is the last and most difficult problem. Pause the video and try it yourself first. Done? Now the ordinary way to solve this problem is to find the value of x and simply plug that into 2x plus 5. But how can we be more creative? Well, 6x plus 15 is a recurring expression, so we can substitute it for a variable a. Then that gets us 2a over 3 equals to 3a over 5 equals to 7. By combining like terms, we get a over 15 equals to 7, meaning that a equals to 105. This means that 6x plus 15 equals to 105. Now, some of you clever students may have already noticed, but 6x plus 15 is 3 times 2x plus 5. So we can say that 3 times 2x plus 5 equals to 105. By dividing by 3 on each side, we get 2x plus 5 equals to 35, which is our final answer.